So we've got a very nice Cayman 718 GT4 in with us that we've been working on this afternoon. We've just been doing the BlackVue Pro dash camera installation into one of these, a DR970X 2-channel. Haven't actually done a Cayman GT4 on our channel, so I thought we'll just do one. So you can see what type of install we can achieve here at TTW. So we've got rear camera. So I'll show you here. So this is what we can achieve here on the rear camera. Obviously there's hardly any wiring at all. It's just coming out of that particular area here. And then we go through the proper routing as you would do with all the main wiring, which is here through the rubber gaiter itself. And then if I just show you inside here, this is where main camera is here. As you can see, there's hardly any wiring there at all in there for that. So if you've got a Cayman or Cayman GT4 or Boxster and you would like having a BlackVue dash camera fitted in correctly, then please give us a call at TTW Installations.